Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to post any post on LinkedIn. So if you want to post anything on LinkedIn, like you need to post a image, or if you want to post a poll or anything else on LinkedIn, you can post it by using this feature of LinkedIn. So in order to post on LinkedIn, first you need to open your LinkedIn profile and log into your profile. Now you need to select that profile icon at the top left corner and click on view profile option. And after clicking on view profile option, you need to scroll down, and after scrolling you will find a start a post option on the activity section. And once you start a post option will open, you can here enter your post, and here I will enter my post, which is test. You can also add a hashtag on your post, and after adding your hashtag you can also enter the images which you want to post on your LinkedIn profile. So after selecting that particular post, you need to click on the post button, and once you posted, your post will be visible on your LinkedIn profile. So this is the way to post on LinkedIn. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.